Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable and use Google Chrome flags to unlock experimental features in your browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open, direct your attention to the top of the window where you'll see the address bar. This is where you normally type website URLs, but we're going to use it to access a hidden settings area. In the address bar, type chrome://flag/ and press the Enter key on your keyboard. This special URL gives you direct access to Chrome's experimental features page, which isn't available through the regular settings menu. It's a powerful area where you can test and enable features that Google is still developing or that aren't ready for mainstream use yet. Once the page loads, you'll now be on the Chrome Flags interface. This page displays a long list of experimental features that you can modify. Each flag represents a different feature or setting that can change how Chrome behaves or looks. Some of these features can improve performance, add new functionality, or test upcoming changes before they're officially released. To find the specific flag you want to enable, you have a couple of options. You can scroll through the entire list if you want to explore what's available, or you can use the search bar at the top of the page for a much faster approach. The search function is particularly useful since there are dozens of flags to choose from. You'll also notice a Reset All button at the top, which allows you to revert all flags back to their default settings if something goes wrong or if you want to start fresh. For this example, let's say you want to enable the Override Software Rendering List flag. This particular flag forces Chrome to use hardware acceleration even on systems where it might be disabled by default, which can improve graphics performance in certain situations. Once you locate this flag using the search bar, you'll see a drop-down menu right beside it. Click on that drop-down menu and you'll see several options including default, enabled, and disabled. Go ahead and select enabled from the list. As soon as you do this, Chrome will register your change and the flag will be activated the next time you restart your browser. And that's it. You've successfully enabled a Chrome flag and can now take advantage of experimental features to customize your browsing experience. Just remember that these are experimental features, so they might not always work perfectly or could change in future updates. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.